Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun Enchaina. It's a flow drill moving to locks. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
I'm going to punch. When he Lop Sao's, I want you to turn inside. Pak Gan, and I want you to Yun Sao over the top and strike. All right? So it's here, here, over the top, moving outside, and strike. You got to be careful. Make sure you're looking at that, and we'll deal with that in a moment, right? So again, I throw my shot. When he does this, there's a moment here where that's open, right? So this is your goal. Always make sure you touch one hand, look at the other. Please just stick with what I'm teaching you. Don't do variations. There's a method to my madness today. All right, so from here, one, coming in, Pak Gan, Yun Sao, come out to the top. All right, gotta go with that. Shoot your straight punchy bones. Pak Gan, I Yun. When he hits that, so we worked on 2 weeks ago the Lop. As soon as I feel that, bounce off. Come into the body and then the head. All right, pretty simple. Do you guys think you add one more into that? All right. My one, my two, my three. Lop and hit, come in check. Side palm again. All right. So again, my one, my two, my three. I bounce off, pull this up, come right to the body, come back over, throw your side palm again. All right, maybe on this side. Throw my straight punch. Everybody good? Over, I clear, I strike, I bounce off, right? Because I'm utilizing this force isn't directed on me. I dial up, I catch the elbow, come right to the kidneys, just check, side turn, right to the neck. Footwork. So, well, remember something, I've turned him. So once I've turned him, I can adjust to that. You okay with that? You sure? So the same thing, always moving from the known. Right? You guys are good. You're good. You're good. Everything's good from here, right? Come over. So from here, you got this one. So this is the one lock we've done. I've also shown you guys this one, right? Just take this, and the tighter you get it to your chest, the more leverage you're going to get. And if you want, be careful with each other. It's so all of these come out of a judo throw, a sorogari. So I can use the figure four to do it, or I can also use this wrist lock to do it. Jordan brought up working out with Brett. Just step behind. And I use my elbow here as I take the wrist lock. Okay? You guys all right? So you guys, you want to just start from here. The side palm, come down. Don't put your hands here. You're going to get in the way of your own lock. Nice and high. Tight to your body. Step in. Okay? If you guys want to alleviate the pressure, it's really simple. Anytime somebody uses that wrist lock, bring your elbow up. You just wear that wrist lock. Just bring your elbow up. So what I want to do is if I take that lock, I want to keep it away so he can't get his elbow up. So I bring it close to my body. All right, you guys good with that? So again, from here, you took your side palm, just come back, come here. So I like to do that and maybe go into a key lock also, okay? You okay with it? So one more time. I have my A, my B, C, so forth. No questions, right? From here, hit him and step. You can bring him this way or that way. Yeah.
When you do that lock on the wrist, how do you deal with the other hand if that comes?
It's a good question. Ask me how I know. It's a good question. Let me show you. It's no big deal. Remember something. First of all, never take a lock if you haven't peppered somebody. If you don't have somebody peppered, don't go for locks. I don't care who you are. I don't care what style you study. If I haven't worked him over and this isn't mine, I start pushing here, he's going to lock it up, he's going to punch you in the face. So what's the golden rule? Touch one hand. So if you're going for this, don't look away. Don't look at his face when I'm going for it. What am I doing? I'm looking at that hand. He throws that hand. Really simple. Down and work your way back in. Okay? Always touch one hand, look at the other.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.